Tell me it's not the coolest thing you've ever seen in your life.
You say that about every single vehicle you ever owned.
This one's up there though. It's just like a normal truck. Awesome?
I mean, oh, you can't even get to it from here?
No.
What the heck is that?
What is what?
That monster out there.
My truck?
I thought you got rid of the big beast.
I did.
This is big. This is bigger.
But you can sleep in this one.
It's ugly.
Hey! Easy. Hi YouTube, what is up? Welcome back to the freaking channel. We have a field trip. First things first, we got a field trip. We've got massive cup holders in here that are freaking amazing. But we put a video up on Instagram of the big red truck. That video it's got almost 1.6 million views, and we have so many comments. Everyone wants to see the inside. The truck is at the wrap shop. I'm gonna drive out there today. I'm gonna give you guys a full walkthrough. I'm gonna show you guys the interior. All right, guys, we have made out to Epic Wrap. So they have been working on this. We did a chrome delete on pretty much the whole thing. We got all of this rewrapped back here. We were having some issues with some chipping coming off the tires. So we got some matte black put on there. We tinted out the windows, got rid of all the badging. Now, full tour of the inside. All right, so the truck itself is a 2021 Chevy 6500 Silverado. So it is a single axle right now, or single wheel. Does have DEF still. I know everybody's hating on the DEF. It does still have that. I'm sorry, I just got it. It's got 365/80 R20s, which end up being, I believe, 43 inches. Someone correct me in the comments, I'm sure you will. Inside, pretty basic. Nothing real special, but it is the crew cab. So there is plenty of room in here. We are gonna do, I think, the headliner, some lights, and some cat skin seat wraps. Underneath, there's a ton of storage. So we've got storage here, all the way back. Back here, got our batteries. Got some batteries. We can turn on our 12 volt and our 110. So we can hook up right to shore power or a generator. On the back, we've obviously got the deck. We've got 7-foot ramps in there. A lot of people have talked about the off-road capabilities of this due to the fact that the approach angle is, we've got about 12 feet from the center of the wheels back. That's a real thing. So we're gonna check it out. We're gonna try. We're gonna see. We're gonna get it probably just in my yard, and we're gonna test and really see where you could bring it. Maybe we'll put a big skid plate. Maybe we'll bring this up a little. Who knows? Or maybe we just don't need to go like super off-road crazy. Here's our shore power. Pretty amazing. These steps fold up into the rig. And welcome. Cool. So here we go. We've got one of the things my wife had said was she would come camping once she had a bathroom and a shower. We have a full-size shower in here, which is incredible. Toilet, like tons of room. This was not made to be just hanging out, relaxing inside. This is made to be where you use the shower, the bath, hang out for a little bit, and then go to bed. We've got bunks for both kids right here. We've got a TV up on the top bunk. We've got our air conditioner in here. It's on propane heat. We've got storage under here, storage under there, storage under there. We've got a fridge, a microwave. We've got some upper cabs here. Nothing crazy. I love the ceiling in here. The Alcantara, the diamond stitch, freaking amazing. And then the master palace up here. So this is actually a king size bed. And then of course another TV. So here's, this is what the interior looks like. I know a lot of people were wondering. It's pretty awesome. Got some storage back here. Like a big amount of storage. Very deep. That's weird. All right, now coming over to the driver's side, we have some propane and propane accessories only. This side we have a holding tank, dump tank, good down the freeway. Got some water filters, our water pumps, and then our clean water storage tank. I've got a lot of stuff to figure out with this. Obviously it's winter here. I mean, I guess it doesn't seem like it's February, but it is winter here. So it's really, really tough to go out and actually use this. It's also been in the shop. We lifted the front end 2 inches, so we've got a lot more ground clearance, or I should say fender clearance, for those big tires. And then this back deck, I want to say it was 14. It may be 12 feet, but it is rated pretty high. We're gonna put some stuff on here. We're gonna haul some stuff with it. We're gonna mess around with this back rack. We're gonna do something different with this system up here. And then our plan will be to just kind of get out and actually use this, actually drive it around. I think we're gonna put an awning right up here. Put an awning across there. We're gonna get some lights mounted on the outside, and then I've got to figure out a system for putting in some sort of inverter, and maybe, since we've got a wide open roof besides the air conditioner, I think we're gonna probably do some solar. So if I've got any RV gurus that watch this video that do solar and inverters and all that stuff, please hit me up, because I do not know where to go with that from here. There is our 2021, what is it called? A TRT, a Toter race trailer. This was built by Raub Industries in Wisconsin. They did an amazing job. I'm gonna be possibly bringing him another vehicle to mess with, and you're gonna love it. And I wanted to take a minute and show you guys what we've been working on, what has been consuming my time, and what has been consuming all my money. So this is what I would call my, this is basically what I've told my wife, this is my Lamborghini Aventador. So I'll give you a quick rundown of kind of the last year and a half. So we were set up to buy a house. We were gonna move. At my house, I have my shop. Like, we've got some land. Well, that fell through, and my wife and I are sitting there, and I'm like, I don't want to move. We have so much stuff. We have so much stuff going on here. What can we do? What do you want? What would make, my wife works from home, and she does not have like a legit office in our home. We have like a spot we set up, and it's kind of a pain. So I said, what do you want? She said, I want my own master bathroom, master suite with a big, huge closet. Check out my Lamborghini Aventador. So if you guys are interested to see more with this, we will be seeing if we can get the Lambo on here. That's just something we've got to try. We've got to attempt it. From the looks of it, it's probably not going to. It's probably not going to work. I don't think it's going to work, but we're going to try it. If you're a solar guru, not for houses. Do not hit me up for houses. Do not. If you are an RV guy, please hit me up. I have some questions. And with that, we're out. Peace. He was back!